increase 56 by 20%. Well, 10% of 56 would be £5.60. So 20% will be double that one, and you'll have £11.20. So if I need to increase it, I need 56 plus £11.20, which comes out to be £67.20. Rounding to one significant figure, that 6 is the most important figure because it tells you how big it is. It's followed by a 3, so that has no effect on the 6. So it's a one significant figure, 6, and I've got to fill up all the places with zeros. 60,000. Factorising an expression like this means put it into brackets. If there's no common factor in all of it, then chances are it's going to go into 2 brackets. To make the x squared term, it's going to have to be an x. To make the 8, I've got a couple of options. I could have 8 times 1, 2 times 4. I need to consider where the 6 comes from. 8 and 1 won't make 6. 2 and 4 will, if they're both plus, which matches all the signs. If I'm dividing something in a ratio 2 to 7, that means there are 9 parts. So if I divide 279 by 9, I will end up getting 31. So how that's split, that means one part is 31, so the first person will get 62, and the second person will get 31 times 7, £217. 560 times 0.15. I'm going to ignore the decimal points. I'm going to times it by 15. 560 times 10, 5,600. Times it by 5, that will be half of that. It's be 2,800. So if I add those two together, I've got 8,400. Now the answer can't be 8,400. The original question had 2 decimal places. If I put 2 decimal places back, I'm going to have 84 as my answer. X is minus 3, y is 4. 2 y's is 2 4's is 8. Take away 3 x's. If x is minus 3, that will be minus 9. 2 minus signs next to each other is the same as adding. So that question is 8 add 9, 17. Estimate, I'm just going to round all of the numbers. So I'm going to have 6 times 20 divided by 30. 6 2's are 12, 120 divided by 30 is going to go 4 times. The nth term of a sequence, if it's linear, goes up the same amount. If they all go up in 3's, then that is the 3 times table. 3 times table starts at 3. This one starts at 6. Go one before that, I've got 3. It's actually 3 more, so it's 3n plus 3. Express 63 as a product of primes means draw a factor tree. 63 can be split up into 21 times 3. 3 is a prime number, so I stop there. 21 can be split up into 7 times 3. Both of those are prime numbers, so the product of primes is 3 times 3 times 7. Expanding the brackets, I'm going to use FOIL. F stands for the first terms. X times x is x squared. O is the outside ones. X times 5 is plus 5x. I is the inside ones. Minus 3 times x is minus 3x, and L stands for the last terms, which will be minus 3 times 5, which is minus 15. I can put that with that, plus 5x take away 3x's is plus 2x. So my actual expansion comes out to be x squared plus 2x minus 15.